Understanding Make Number Waves in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, make number waves. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding idioms can really enrich your language skills. So, let's get started. Make no waves is an idiom in English that means to avoid causing problems or disturbances. It's often used in situations where maintaining the status quo or not drawing attention is considered important. This phrase can be related to the literal idea of not creating waves in water, which signifies keeping things calm and undisturbed. To better understand make no waves, let's look at some examples. 1. In the workplace. During the meeting, I decided to make no waves and agreed with the boss's plan. Here, it means not challenging or questioning authority to maintain a peaceful situation. 2. In personal relationships. I just try to make no waves with my in-laws to keep family gatherings peaceful. This reflects the idea of avoiding conflicts in sensitive relationships. There are other idioms with similar meanings, like rock the boat or don't upset the apple cart. While rock the boat implies causing disturbances in an otherwise stable situation, don't upset the apple cart suggests avoiding actions that might spoil a plan or situation. Understanding these nuances can add depth to your conversational skills. It's important to use this idiom appropriately. Make no waves is suitable in formal and informal contexts but should be used when discussing situations involving conflict, stability, or harmony. It's not used for literal descriptions but rather metaphorical situations. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make number waves. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and depth to your language skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.